Hi everyone, Ana Paola Hurtado here. In this video, I'm going to convert a flat file to a full data model using Power BI Desktop. Stay tuned. First step is to look for the columns I need to remove. And a great way to do it is to go to choose in the home. You go to choose columns. Okay, and then you just uncheck the ones you don't want, the columns you don't want. For example, I don't want the suit product, so uncheck that, and okay, and see you don't have it anymore. Or another way to do it, to remove columns you don't want, is just to do right click and just select remove column. The next step to do is we're gonna group. We're gonna spend some time looking at our data, trying to figure out how your data model is gonna look. I'm going to group my data here. For example, in this table, I have countries. So I'm gonna group that is gonna be one group, and the next one is gonna, based on the low number and the borrower, that's gonna be my second group. So remember, what we're trying to do here is to figure out how our data model is gonna look. Let's duplicate this query. So I'm gonna duplicate one and duplicate again. The first table, I'm gonna rename these two countries. Perfect. And I don't need any column until the end. So just select this one and remove other columns. Perfect. Now we're gonna remove duplicates. To do that, you just do right click and you have here this option, remove duplicates. And now we have distinct values. For the second table, I'm going to call it loans borrower. Okay, I don't need this first column. Let's clean up it. Remove this. I don't need the subloan. And I'm gonna select these two columns and I'm gonna say remove other columns. And practically this is it. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna select this and I'm gonna say remove duplicates. And now we have again distinct values. And why are we executing all this step? Because we are creating a nice data model from a flat file in Power BI. And you can use the query editor to create your own data model. That is great, perfect. Now also we have the fact table and we have the two dimensions. What I'm going to do now, I'm gonna click close and apply. And this is where the magic happens. Power BI is taking all my data and is actually creating a wonderful model for me. I'm so excited. So after this is load, we're gonna move to the model view. So here, and you see what happened? Power BI created the data model for me. We start from a flat file and we created our data model. I would love to know if you liked this video. Post your feelings and questions in the comments below and hit the thumbs up button. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next following video.